In today's video, I want to talk about how to optimize your battle station for maximum focus. And when I say battle station, I mean your workspace. Because if you're doing work in a spot that's dirty, is distracting, and is not easily accessible, you're not helping out your case. And what you're actually doing is committing self-sabotage. So, with that being said, let's dive right in. So, number one, clean your workspace. This one's mainly for those that work at home. If you work from home, make sure your battle station is clean. So this is what my desk looks like. Basically, I'll just lay out my laptop with my work. Always have this timer. Always work with a hoodie, some headphones, and a hat. And yeah, this is what my desk looks like right now, but it didn't always look like this. There was a bunch of crud all over my desk. There were papers, probably some mugs, probably some video game controllers. And, it was a complete mess. And I know you've probably heard it 1,000 times and you don't need to hear it from me, some random dude on YouTube. I'm not saying you have to clean up your entire room, but if you just clean that one corner or that one area where you work, this just will help put your mind at ease. Your mind will feel calmer and you'll be able to focus a lot better. And if you go to coffee shops and you don't really have to worry about cleaning your workspace because, there's probably someone there that does that already. On to point number 2, distraction-free workplace. The next thing you'll want to do is to make sure you are free from any distractions. Why is that so important? Because if you're distracted, it's going to be way harder for you to get into that laser mode. And when I say laser mode, that's just my way of saying getting into the flow state. It's crucial that you choose a spot with little to zero distractions. Anything that takes your focus or attention hostage from doing whatever the thing is for you is a distraction, right? So let's say I was at a coffee shop and I was doing some work and I sat right by the window, but there's cars zooming past the window, and I keep looking up and I keep breaking my attention. I keep breaking my focus. That right there is a distraction. So you want to limit these distractions as much as humanly possible. Something that I do that helps is I work in a corner of my room. I like to wake up early, put on a hat, put on a hoodie so I can kind of minimize my visual distractions. Then I'll pray for a little bit and then I'll get straight into doing whatever the thing is. But why do I do all that? I wake up early because nobody is awake. It's super quiet. I work in a corner against the wall so that I have nothing to look at, no visual distractions besides my laptop or besides whatever the work is right in front of me. So that's why it's so important to find or create an environment where you have little to zero distractions. And my last point number 3, is set yourself up to slay the dragon. After you're done doing whatever the thing is for you, plan out what the next one will look like. Before you go take a break or before you go to bed, set yourself up for success so that the next time that you come to your battle station or to your workstation, you have everything you need right there. All the tabs are opened up. You have your notes that you're going to use. You have your timer set for the time that you want to work for. You have all your equipment, your hoodie, your headphones, your hat laid out, ready to just put it on and get straight to doing the work. And this is also that when you come back from a break or so that when you wake up in the morning, you know exactly what you need to do. You're not wasting any brain power at all getting this or getting that because it's all over the place. Oh, I didn't set up my tabs. No, everything's all laid out. You just get up and go. So to wrap all this up, if you work with a dirty desk, clean it up. Your mind will thank you for it. Number 2, make sure you create an environment where you are distraction free. This is almost like you want to lock yourself in a room with nothing in it besides a desk, a chair, and whatever work you're going to do in front of you. And lastly, make sure you have everything laid out so that when you come to your workstation, to your battle station, you don't need anything. You don't need to get up or get this or get that in the middle of your work. So that way you're concentrated, your attention is there, and you are focused like a laser. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this one, I'm going to put a link right up here somewhere that you can check out another one with all the tools that I use to kind of help me focus. But with that being said, thanks for watching. Have a blessed rest of your day. And until next time, my peeps, Alex